Hey, it's Mike with All Brite Pressure Washing and More. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're cleaning out gutters for a repeat customer. It's been a couple years since our last visit, and this time we discovered a clogged downspout that wasn't allowing water to flow. Let me walk you through the steps we take to get it unclogged and working again. We always start by cleaning the gutters first, then move to the end of the downspout where it connects to the underground drainage. The first attempt is to clear it by using a weeder tool or a long screwdriver to break up the blockage. To help with that, we'll also run water from the top of the downspout to loosen the clog and encourage it to flush through. Sometimes a little open-handed tap on the downspout helps, but it's important not to hit it too hard. Too much force can dent the aluminum. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to drill out the rivets that hold the downspout together. We need to be careful not to make the hole too big. Once the rivets are removed, we'll reassemble it using sheet metal screws. When the downspout is taken apart, we'll lay it flat and use a high pressure nozzle to force the blockage out. Once the inside is free of debris, we'll reattach it using screws in place of rivets. Now the system is ready to flow properly again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel to check out more of our pressure washing videos here on YouTube. We've got plenty of transformations and tips to share, and we'll see you in the next one.